All right, so there's a guy who just absolutely loves the camera. You saw him in the hot minute with Claudio. He came straight over. I'm not sure whether Claudio was getting on the camera or whether Eamon was getting on the camera. Let's go and tap him on the shoulder, and we will see, and we'll drag him over.
Oh, g'day.
G'day, buddy.
Hi, good morning. How you doing?
How you going?
Good, really good. Good to see
you.
Yeah.
You just want to get on the camera.
Oh, I love getting on camera. I hate it, actually, but yeah. Hello.
Mate, this is called the Hot Minute.
Yeah.
And would you like to spend a hot minute with me?
Sure. Absolutely.
Yeah. You know how it works?
What are we doing?
All right, so I'm going to press go on the screen here.
On the major, yeah.
And you've got a minute to tell the audience why they need to come and see you at Integrate.
Okay, let's do it.
A minute. After a minute, I'm cutting you off hard. It's
Yeah.
a hard cut.
Oh, you know I'll talk for 15 if you're ready. So.
You ready?
Yeah.
So we're going to press go. There you go. Go for it.
G'day. Welcome to Integrate 2025. I'm Eamon with Turtle AV. We're an Australian company and we make AV gear. We make USB extenders, video walls. We've got what I think the world's best AV over IP product, the Chasey family of Dante AVA gear. Dante
Not
AVA.
biased at all.
No, well, I'm a little bit biased. You don't have to be. We've got controllers. We've got low-cost audio adapters. Lots of Dante audio gear, including rack-mountable things like this guy for multiple XLRs in and XLRs out, which is great for live production. Come and check us out. We're on the Midwich stand. I think it's P56, and
straight through the door down there, you'll see Claudio, see Dan, see Eamon.
We book late. We're at the back of the hall. But
not to mention 40 under 40, the most famous man in the room.
This guy over here,
the brains.
40 under 40. Yeah.
40 under 40. Yeah. Good on you.
I'm so proud of him. It's great. So yeah, thanks. I can see the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hard cut. We're out. Good on you, mate.
Thanks, mate. Cheers. See you guys.